Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. Today we've landed in Helsinki, Finland. It was a long flight, but in this video I'm going to show you how to get from Helsinki Airport to downtown Helsinki taking the train. When you arrive at Helsinki Airport, just head towards baggage claim, and when you exit that area, you'll end up in an area with some shopping, and from there you'll look for signs leading you to the trains. In this clip, we've just left that shopping area and we're standing in front of the escalators taking us down to the trains. There are elevators available as well if you have lots of luggage, strollers, or a wheelchair, or maybe you just don't like escalators. There are a few ways to get into downtown. You could take a taxi, which would cost you about $50 and take about 22 minutes. So if you're in a rush, this is your best option. You can also take the Line 600 bus from the airport to downtown. This is about a 40-minute ride. Or you can rent a car. And honestly, I like the train. It's the best and easiest option for us. We're staying at an airport hotel and just heading into town for dinner. Taking the train will only take about 30 minutes. Here we are on the platform. Let's look at buying tickets. You can choose Finnish, English, or Swedish on the ticket machine. You can hit the big button at the top left of the screen that says Helsinki City Center. The machine takes Visa and MasterCard. You will then select the number of passengers, how many adults, how many children. Currently, the fare is just over €4 per person to get into Helsinki. Then you'll insert your payment card. You'll wait for the prompt and enter your PIN. Wait for the transaction to complete and then take your ticket from the ticket shelf. You're looking for the P or the I train. The ticket you just bought is valid for 80 minutes. If you're going to be in Helsinki for a few days, you might want to buy a day pass, especially if you'll be using transit more than 3 times a day. And you can use your ticket on the trains, trams, buses, metro, city bikes, and even the ferries. Have a look at this train. It's really nice. Lots of different kinds of seating, and there's even room for bicycles and strollers. And there are even toilets on board. Always buy your ticket before you enter any public transport vehicle in Helsinki. The penalty fare for riding without a valid ticket or card is €100, and they checked our tickets on every ride we did. The frequency of trains from Helsinki to the airport depends on the time of day and the day of the week. Monday to Saturday, trains run every 10 minutes. Sunday, trains run every 15 minutes. Early morning and late evening, trains run every 20 to 30 minutes. The train ride from the airport to Helsinki city center takes about 30 minutes, like I said. The I train takes 27 minutes to get to city center, while the P train takes 32 minutes. When you arrive in Helsinki, you'll be in the iconic Helsinki Central Station, built in the early 1900s. About 200,000 people pass through here every single day. This building is known for its clock tower and the famous lantern bearers statues. From here you can walk all around the city, down to the waterfront, and actually we walked all the way to the ferry terminal of the Viking Line ferry to Stockholm, Sweden. If that's something you're planning to do, I have a video on that journey that you can check out. I hope you found my video on taking the train from Helsinki Airport to downtown Helsinki helpful. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. Check out the links I've added below to our favorite anti-theft and anti-pickpocket backpacks, day packs, and crossbody bags that we use on all our travels. Drop me a note in the comments section below. I'd love to know about your travel plans and where you're watching from. Thanks so much for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I'll see you again soon.